giving. As Christians, we don't tithe today because we are not living under the law of Moses. But this fact must be used as not an excuse to give less. The New Testament, the New Testament is that we must give as we have what? Been prospered. Purpose plant in our hearts. Give as you have been what? Prospered. Purpose and plant. Maria every Sunday. You plant it. I say the example that we every Sunday. Those who have what I say, what a plant. To be right. And it's a true story. Aka tendo kwa sana Kristo. Aipa Maria seku salama tena muno. Pakwenda zipo. Those zipo zaenda $440. Yeah, about 10% of 4,000. Which means $400. Suppose I have $440. You know, I said, I'm full. I think you put that on this second. What's going on? So I'm going to say, $40. I know. You know, I'm a big standard. 20 about 600, 500. Suppose I pay $459. Planned. Those are things that are planned. May I say how God comes to stand? You plan. What things we should give and it here. As we want, prospered, purpose, plans in our hearts, according to our ability, willingly, cheerful. No cheerful. Also, our giving should what? Sacrificial. I think you almost sacrifice a soul. Chaka and it sacrifice. Remember, Abraham sacrificed. Jesus was sacrificed and it put your best. That suit. You go to churches and I go to one churches. You have that suit. I need the best suit you can get. Your best suit you can say, I can't you. You say, I need the best. But what you are giving God is, I need the best. From what I have given you, I'm talking about giving. My changes of Christ are giving. I don't know if it's people think planned, but our giving is what to be desired. And if you're not going to have a church, as now started to square there, the church is supposed to have $15. About the pizza $32 a day. Nobody has not supposed to pizza there. But you can go to my so and it. I said, I would get this. Yesterday there was a certain congregation, a meeting. I got 10 million of charities. I know this was a singer named Muga, Marata Muda, so I guess at least they tried. Cooperation, there's a municipal about it. Mapranga Norway is a good time to develop Islamic. Why would you provide the transportation? You always have for Malay energy free. Why constant and they afford for free or the same? When you get a chance to set up Zengeza, the first I reported 40 years. I got people that are 50 years. Do you know place Lord? Way span. So sacrificial giving. When the church refused to humbly submit to the authority of scriptures, it becomes powerless and lifeless. The church is in a rush. Let's take the old path. The Ezra way. The Josiah way. When the Benechi, the Evangelion. And I understand it in our next lecture. pane madhezi oti kwekushopu kangojuka kusvika kwekushop kwangu kwekutongwanyaya kwangu kukota nditi ungambozistepa. But this time the Great Harare Workshop is for edifying, encouraging, and to see one another. Even somebody fellow pursuit. The Great Harare, the entire that we need to go to 3, 4 buses.
Church of Christ.